Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Sync Podcast, where we dive deep into the tech that's shaping our futures. Today, we're exploring a game changer in the e-commerce space, Google's brand new shopping app. So, if you've ever felt overwhelmed by online shopping, stick around because this app might just be what you've been waiting for. Imagine an app that not only enhances your shopping experience, but also integrates seamlessly with your digital lifestyle. Yes, Google has rolled out something that promises to do just that. But how does it actually stack up? Let's get into it. First up, let's talk about what this app is all about. Google's new shopping app is designed to simplify how you browse, compare, and purchase products across various categories. It integrates Google's powerful search and AI technology to offer personalized shopping recommendations. Sounds pretty standard so far, right? But here's where it gets interesting. Feature 1. Visual search. Ever seen a dress or a gadget you liked with someone and wished you could buy it right then and there? Just snap a photo, and the app uses Google Lens to find it for you online. Next, there's real-time stock updates, ensuring what you see is what's available. No more disappointment on sold-out items. Beyond just convenience, this app aims to save you time and money. It compares prices across platforms to ensure you get the best deals. Plus, with integration into your Google account, it tracks price drops on products you've viewed and alerts you. But no app is without its flaws. Privacy might be a concern for some, as the app requires access to your browsing and purchase history to fully function. The buzz online is mixed. While many praise its user-friendly design and efficiency, others are wary about data security. What's your take? To wrap up, Google's new shopping app is certainly packed with features that could revolutionize our shopping habits. Whether it's a hit or a miss depends on how much value you place on convenience versus privacy. If you enjoyed this deep dive, don't forget to subscribe to stay updated on all things tech. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.